these cars not returning for 2021. Every year, manufacturers tweak the model mix to reflect the market they expect to encounter in the upcoming year. Just like the cars discontinued last year, 2021 will bring far fewer two-door coupes, four-door sedans, and what's left of available wagons. It also means fewer small economy cars, as they're superseded by small economy crossovers. Will the world be better for these changes? Let's hope 2021 is nothing but joy and life. Alfa Romeo 4C. This beauty was never the center of attraction for car lovers, so it's not surprising that Alfa Romeo 4C never had good sales numbers. The sales were almost none. The company got only 144 buyers for its 4C Spyder, and the leftover were 4C coupes in the year 2019. BMW i8. This year in June, BMW made their last i8 big battery, small engine kind of supercar. This car is available only as a coupe and a roadster. The i8 has a Lilliputian 1.5 liter with 3 cylinders. It creates a total of 369 horsepower. Cadillac CT6. This car still resonates in the American car culture. DeVille, Seville, and Fleetwood. These names that carried prestige, presence, and substance. Cadillac sedan was a status symbol. Later, it got stooped. CT6, their last and one of the best Cadillac sedans ever made. Chevrolet Impala. The last that was sold was on February 27, 2020. Just after a few days, coronavirus hit. Chevrolet has used the Impala since 1958. It is most certain that this car won't be returning in the next year. Nothing's for certain. Chevrolet might surprise you. Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 and GT350R. The plain crank that came from the Ford Mustang Shelby GT350's 526 horsepower with a V8 engine delighted the minds of the rider. However, the song dies young only. This car had won the decorated award 10 Best Winner 2 times. It also won the 4-car comparison test against its 3 fun competitors. Honda Fit. In the compact car section, Honda Fit was one of the finest of its time. However, this segment was never really well received in the US. Its sales peaked in 2008, with 79,794 models sold, but went down to 35,414 in the year 2019, and now the coronavirus arrived. Jaguar XE. In the year 2014, Jaguar sales were quite low. Jaguar XE was supposed to steal buyers from the BMW 3 Series and Mercedes-Benz S-Class. However, it did not make such impact, and its peak in 2017 sold only 9,278 models, with only 888 sold in June 2020. Lexus GS. The Lexus GS played the middle child between the ES series and the rear driver LS Battle Cruiser. The GS models are rear or all-wheel drive, the Lexus quality and the silent luxury it expects of the brand. It will be a used car bargain for many years to come. The last GS 350 models in the US will only be special edition Blackline GFSs. Lincoln Continental. The Lincoln Continental will say goodbye in the year 2020. It is definitely not the last Continental that Lincoln will build. It came in the year 1956 and lasted until 2002. Lincoln has broad-shouldered and handsome. This Continental was not the traditional rear driver. Mercedes-Benz SLC and SLK. The little brother of the SL series, the SLC, got caught up in the world that has left roadsters behind. The world might change again, and maybe someday there would be another SLK or SLC. So, these 10 cars will not continue for the year 2021. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.